Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this easy breakfast sandwich. First, I am going to prep all my ingredients that I will be using today. All ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. I am using eggs, bread, sausage, diced ham, some bell peppers, red crushed pepper, butter, cheese is optional, and of course some salt and pepper. So guys, what I'm doing here is removing the little white thing from the egg, hence the reason I am cracking it in a separate dish before adding it to the mixture. I will be using about 4 eggs. You can use less if you are preparing a smaller portion, or just feel free to adjust as you go along. I am using about 4 to 6 slices of bread. You can use any bread of your choice. What I'm doing is removing the middle section because that is where I will be pouring my mixture. So guys, you want to make sure that your butter is completely melted before adding the bread. Then I will be adding a small portion of the mixture in the middle section of the bread. I am going to allow that to cook for about 4 to 7 minutes on each side. Then I repeat the process. haven't you subscribed us yet, I know you're watching. Just go ahead, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with a friend. Until next time, bye guys.